Hello everyone, this is Chris with Equiparts. 8 years ago I presented the Urinal Flange Repair Kit, a kit that helps you repair urinal flanges without removing the flange itself, and you can reattach the urinal to the wall. And in that time we've had some exciting news about the product. We actually purchased the patent and we've made product improvements, all this to benefit the end user. So we purchased the patent about a year ago, and we've taken on with a partner all the manufacturing of the product. So the difference is that you'll see before, when these were manufactured by someone else, the product was dipped in spray paint, oil-based paint. Now it has a black oxide coating, which makes it easier to open and close. It doesn't get stuck anymore, and it's just easier to use. Alright, it looks better, looks more professional. We also include stainless steel bolts, washers, and nuts now. Previously, they were just steel bolts and they could rust easily. So another thing we did is package them in our packaging, okay? And we offer the product with the premium elastomer gasket, which we have a video on, so you can learn more about in one of our other videos. So you can get it with just a standard gasket or the elastomer gasket. Alright, now I'm going to go over exactly the problem that the Urinal Flange Repair Kit solves. Have you ever been on a job where you had to tear into the wall because the flange was broken on a urinal flange? Well, that's what this product is here to solve. So if on a standard urinal flange, there's a few different types. There's brass and plastic, and there's glue, threaded, or solder. If you have a glue type, for example, like this one is, this would be glued on in the wall, and if this tab warps or breaks, you have no way to tighten the urinal to the wall. So what the Urinal Flange Repair Kit does is solves that problem. So you don't have to tear into that wall, cut the pipe off, re-extend it out, and glue it back in and put a new flange on. What you can do with the Urinal Flange Repair Kit is it opens up and it can slide back behind your urinal flange to allow you to tighten the bolts to these new tabs that are there. So this is what it looks like installed on a urinal flange. I'm going to turn it around for demonstration purposes, but that is what it looks like, and that will give you new tabs if these tabs were broken off or warped to tighten your urinal to. So this will save you time, it'll save you money, it'll save you effort. You can get in and out of a job where it could usually take hours if you had to tear into the wall, and you could do it in 10 minutes or less. Alright, so for review, in the last 8 years since we did the last video, Equiparts has purchased the patent for the Urinal Flange Repair Kit. We've taken on manufacturing with a partner, so made in the USA. We've changed the bolts from steel to stainless steel to prevent rust. We've changed the coating on the Urinal Flange Repair Kit from just dipped in an oil-based paint to black oxide coating, so for easier use. And we've packaged it in our packaging. So the standard Urinal Flange Repair Kit part number is 65784, and the one with the elastomer gasket is 68166. There will be links in the description below that you can get to both of these items to purchase on our website. You can also visit our website for many other interesting products that can help you solve all kinds of different plumbing problems. And you can always give us a call if you have any questions. Thank you very much.